wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best enzyme drain cleaners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If your shower is backed up due to build-up from soap scum and long hair, ZEP ZDC16 can help. It's not the most concentrated choice available, but it's easy on the pipes and works admirably if you're willing to wait a while. It's gentle enough for old plumbing and is a solid budget option. However, retrieving the scoop from inside is messy. At number 9, Ridex Septi-Packs target septic tanks, on the assumption that build-up down the line is what causes backups in pipes and drains. It's a great way to prevent stoppages from occurring while also contributing to the overall health of your sewage system. It's pre-measured for convenience and gentle on valves, but note that it shouldn't be put down sinks. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Suitable for commercial and residential use, Enzyme Magic Digester comes neatly packaged in individual 4-ounce pouches that make administering it a breeze. It's pH neutral and completely biodegradable and is registered with the EPA as part of its Safer Choice initiative. No mixing is required and it's a non-corrosive formula. It can be used in floor drains. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Enzyme Drain Cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for small problems, Amazon Commercial Multi-Purpose does a fine job of keeping water flowing. It's likely not powerful enough to displace a big chunk of grease or a large hair blockage, but it's suitable for maintenance and light-duty uses. It has a mild mint smell and cleans surface stains too. It's neither flammable nor caustic. Moving up our list to number 6. FTC Breakdown is a liquid choice, so it's easier to use than many granular ones. It's one of the fastest acting selections available, so if you have an emergency, and clogs are usually an emergency, this can take care of it. It's got a pleasant non-chemical aroma and works well in toilets. However, the instructions are vague. Halfway up our list at number 5. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, which is where Robic septic tank treatment comes in. Designed to keep backups and clogs at bay, this formula is strong but environmentally friendly, and each 1-quart bottle is suitable for a 500-gallon tank. It's affordably priced, and you apply it just twice yearly. It targets wads of toilet paper. At number 4, Helix Laboratories Drain Scrub claims to contain double the bacteria and enzymes of other leading products. We didn't count them, but the 10-pound tub definitely provides plenty of applications. So if you need to unclog multiple drains, this is a good choice. It's ideal for garbage disposals and reduces noxious odors. However, it is an expensive option. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, this BioClean Ultimate Kit gives you everything you need for hassle-free maintenance, including an illuminated magnet that blinks every 30 days when it's time for a treatment. It also includes a hair removal tool for breaking up stubborn snags. It comes in a generous 2-pound container with a handy mixing cup. It's good value for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Enzyme Drain Cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for large-scale commercial applications, there's the 5-gallon bucket of Black Diamond Stoneworks Get Serious. The little bacteria inside chew through grease, making it a good choice for restaurants or homes that deep fry lots of meals. It's got a pleasant fragrance and clears lines to and from the trap. It's a safe, non-toxic solution. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the formula inside each bottle of Green Gobbler Refresh is extra thick, ensuring it coats every inch of the drain on the way down. This also enables it to cover the blades on a waste disposal. It comes with measurement markings on the bottle and can break down paper. It's got a light and refreshing scent. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Enzyme Drain Cleaners, or simply click beneath this video.